What's going on, y'all? Gus One Bear. Now today, it's gonna be the day. Y'all remember this video? Under $60, you can beat it. So now I'm gonna do the next best thing. I'm gonna rinse it out with fresh water. And what best? Throw in a pit full of alligators. That's right, the Kastking Extreme Sharky 3 torture test. Now in 2018, my wife and I, we went ahead and we conducted a torture test on a particular Kastking reel, which is known as the Sharky 3. And this is the reel right here. This is the star of the YouTube video. There you go. There she is. And we went ahead and we conducted all kinds of crazy torture tests. But I figured today we're going to go ahead and open up the Battle Scar Sharky. That's the name that I gave it. And this is the Battle Scar Sharky. And really see what's happening inside this reel. Stay tuned. You're watching Two Bears Outdoors. Alright guys, before we go ahead and open up the reel, I would like to say that when we found out that Kastking came out with a third generation Sharky, I mean, we're already big fans of the Sharky 2, but a Sharky 3? A third generation? Really? How much better could a reel actually get? I mean, it was just too good to be true. So, you know, I had this wild idea. It's like, you know what, let's really run this reel through the ringer and really give it a beat down and see how good this reel will last. Alright, so this is my first time opening up a reel, but I am quite curious if there's going to be any corrosion. I don't know. I don't know what to expect, but I think it's about time. So let's start with the spool. Go. Okay, we got the spool out. So here's the shaft. Not bad. Alright, now we're going to undo the crank handle. There we go. Alright, so here's the cap. Now you got to reverse the handle. Like I said, I've never done this, so bear with me. Alright guys, by all means, this is not an instructional video on how to take apart the Sharky 3. Now I see why I don't take apart these reels. This is not my thing. But I don't want to take everything out. I think I got what I need. I was able to manipulate and take the main base out. Started the gearing. It will not corrode. This video was just to show you the internals of the Sharky 3 reel that's been abused, tortured, and neglected. Okay, it's had a rough life, and still, what an amazing product.
It's Sharky time, baby.
Sharky, baby.
Well, folks, you're watching Two Bears Outdoors.